How to become a Vrbo affiliate and start earning commissions promoting vacation rentals online. My name is Ricardo Pimenta, and in this video I will show you how to get started step by step. If you want to create your affiliate account right now, use the verified and secure sign-up link in the description and in the pinned comment. One of the easiest ways to promote vacation rentals is through the affiliate platform Travel Payouts, where you can access the Vrbo affiliate program. Again, if you want to start, the verified and secure registration link is in the description and pinned comment. Vrbo is a global platform where travelers can search and book vacation homes, apartments, cabins, and holiday rentals in thousands of destinations around the world. After creating your account on Travel Payouts, log into your dashboard and search for the Vrbo affiliate program. Apply to the program, and once approved, you will receive your affiliate links. You can promote these links on YouTube, websites and blogs, travel content pages, social media. Every time someone books a vacation rental through your affiliate link on Vrbo, you can earn a commission. If you want to start promoting vacation rentals and earning online, use the verified and secure sign-up link in the description and pinned comment to create your affiliate account. You can also learn more about travel affiliate platforms on my website, plataformadiaffiliados.com. And remember, the verified and secure registration link is in the description and pinned comment so you can start today.